Hey guys, happy Friday. Thanks for joining me for a new video. In this one, I'm going to follow up on my previous video talking about the newest Amazon merch additions to their catalog. That would be the tote bags and the throw pillows. I'm re-recording this because last time I said the throw pillows. And I was like, wait, throw pillows? Those don't exist. So we have the tote bag and the throw pillow. I'm going to be re-gifting, well, not re-gifting, I guess, but I'm going to be gifting these to people after I record this video segment. So hopefully nobody watches this video that I'm going to be giving them to. But as you can see here, I took some pictures of our dogs and then I kind of mixed them in. And, you know, I might do a video on next week on how I did that if there's any interest to create these kind of style of designs. I showed them to my girlfriend and she loved it. So if there's any interest, let me know in the comments below. But yeah, I got the products in. It took 7 days from when I placed the order, which was a little bit later in the day. So you might say 6 days, but it took 7 days from like when the order was placed to when the products arrived at the house. So yeah, if you guys are ready, let's get into the review. Real quick, just wanted to remind you, I've got a weekly print-on-demand giveaway. You can find a link right there at the top of the description. This week sponsored by Merch Titans Automation, Merch Ninja Research Tools, and All Sunsets print-on-demand sunset graphics. So check it out. It's completely free to enter. The winner will be drawn tomorrow, and I'll announce it on Sunday. Right next to that link, I've got a free 7-day Amazon merch mini course if you want to join, and an Amazon merch Facebook community. I'd love to have you if you would like to apply. I'll let you in. All right, now back to the reason you came. So I had mentioned this about a week ago, but since Amazon merch rolled out the tote bags and throw pillows, and I don't know if you don't have access, I don't know when they're going to roll out access to every account, but I got access about 8 days ago, and I did a video sharing all the information, including essentially what they're going to look like in the mockups. So your artwork is printed on both the front and back. I'm going to show you that in a second. And I gave you the base cost, which is $15.54. My recommended price of $15.95 for the tote. This is for the tote bag. And after your first sale, what I might consider increasing my price to, which I recommend $17.95, locking in a $2 royalty. And then if you get a review, probably up the price from there is what I would do. In addition, the throw pillows, right? Yeah, throw pillows. It's like tote pillows again. Throw pillows. So these come in two sizes. You got the 16 by 16 inch and the 18 by 18 inch. I don't really understand why. I mean, I'm not an interior decorator. I'm far from it. If there's a reason why you would offer such close in proximity sizes to each other, 16 inch and 18 inch, let me know, because it's lost on me. I would think that you might go like maybe 15 inch and 20 inch at least, so that you've got some of a discernible difference, because I'll show you in the video. It's hard to tell the small one from the big one apart. But anyways, artwork is printed on both sides. So we call this all over print often. The base cost for the throw pillows. It's a throw pillow. Yeah, the pillows. The base cost is $17.39. And then what you'll notice is that is the base cost for the 16 inch. You don't get to change anything for the 18 inch, but Amazon adds, what was it, $2, I think, to the base cost of the 18 inch, of the larger pillow. So $17.39 is the lowest you can list them for. The recommended price is about $17.95, just because it's a little bit better from a pricing psychology perspective, in my mind at least. And then after the first sale, listed for $19.95, lock in $2.06 royalty per order. So when your listing is created for the pillows, you will see a variation on the listing. So I think it defaults to like the 16 inch, and then you can select the 18 inch and vice versa. They'll automatically just add $2 to whatever base cost you selected on the previous screen, on the setup screen, the wizard. They'll just add $2 for the cost of the 18-inch pillow. All right, and then also just wanted to remind you that you can use this completely free tool called Merch Resize to take your like t-shirt optimized designs. You just drag, drop, select tote. By the way, the dimensions are the same for the tote bag and the throw pillow. So just select tote. Hit download, it converts it for you. It'll automatically set the background as black. And then also a reminder, if you're interested in how I did this kind of theme design, I don't know what to call it, design style. It reminds me of like some internet memes I've seen. If you have any interest in me showing you how I did that, let me know in the comments below, and I can do that next week in a separate video. All right, so if you guys are ready, let me show you the end result. All right, so this is a video recording I took on my nicer camera, and it's playing back at 1.5x speed if you're wondering why it's going so fast. But you can see the design. It printed out very nicely on the tote bag. I have the pillow inside the tote bag, so it looks like there's something in there. And in case you're wondering what this says, it is made of 100% polyester on the front and the back. And on the inside, let me pause it. there you go. Pause the video if you want to read what the tag says on the inside of the tote bag. Essentially, all new material consisting of 100% polyester fiber of recycled material, manufactured for Amazon.com, merch by Amazon. And then it gives an address. Pretty much it. Not to be removed until delivered to the customer. All right, so you know it's legit. None of that stuff means anything else to me. As you can see, I put the pillow in there, but the tote bag, I mean, very sturdy. The straps are sewn on. I'm sure it could hold a bunch of heavy things at the grocery store or whatever. Here we've got the smaller throw pillow, right? Yeah, throw pillow. 16 by 16 inch. You can see what the pillow materials say, 100% polyester. So it looks like similar to the tote bag there. Maybe that's why they rolled them out together. Looks like maybe they even have the same manufacturer, because doesn't that tag look similar? It says all new material consisting of 100% polyester fiber of recycled material. And again, manufactured for Amazon.com, merch by Amazon. So check that out. Pillows came looking good. The small one had a little like thread hanging off of it at the bottom there, but whatever. I'm not too worried about it. Probably the only defect that I noticed, if you want to call it a defect. There's the big pillow next to the small pillow. So you can see there is a difference in size, but it's not too noticeable unless you're really looking for it. I don't know if the extra $2 is really warranted as far as price goes, but anyways, print quality, I mean, I love it. Like I said, everybody that's seen it loves it. I mean, also, I don't know. We're a little biased because, you know, those are our dogs, but they're so cute. I love Chihuahuas. Anyways, back on track. So yeah, you can see, let's go back. Let me see 2 seconds. Go back to that where we showed the seam there. Okay, no, both pillows actually had a little like string hanging out of it. That's interesting. Both pillows had that, you see where it's like sewn together there at the bottom, had that string hanging out. So maybe Amazon might want to take note of that. But I mean, functionally, the pillows work. There isn't like any rips in it or tears or anything like that. And the print quality, again, I thought was awesome. So, all right, and that's it for my review of the tote bag and the pillows. Quick reminder, I have a full Amazon merch course showing you exactly how I took my account from tier 10 to tier 100,000. If you want to check that out, there's a link in the description. And thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you haven't already and you want to do me a small favor, hit that like button. It would be awesome. And if you're not subscribed and you would like to do so, I'd really appreciate it. But thanks, guys. Have a good weekend. I'll see you tomorrow.